AI bot ChatGPT can do your taxes, can write your college essay, and influence whom you vote for in the next election. These tools are adept at writing convincing political propaganda. It may not look as obvious as this Kanye West-style rap ChatGPT wrote about Indian Prime Minister Modi. It could be subtle. Take this example. I asked ChatGPT what people thought of Obama, and it described him as charismatic and inspiring and referred to him as a leader. But when it came to Trump, it called him a controversial figure. Are AI chatbots the troll factories of the future? At the moment, users' social media feeds are being invaded by trolls, lots of them working out of Russian or Chinese troll factories. Their aim, deceiving and confusing the public. Their method, spreading a certain view by commenting on social media, starting discussions, or reinforcing populist views. AI chatbots like ChatGPT can generate personalized responses and argue convincingly. Once integrated with platforms such as Facebook Messenger, Twitter, or WhatsApp, AI chatbots can aid automated trolling on a whole new level.
I think we should regulate the production of these models. We need to go right to the heart of how these models are produced, the sort of data sets on which they're trained, and the ways in which their outputs are subject to some sort of review before they're released into the wild.
There are several tools available to spot AI-generated content, like the AI classifier developed by ChatGPT's creators at OpenAI. But
we worry about the impact of these models on our democracies and perhaps allowing bad actors to influence the outcomes of elections by manipulating certain sectors of the electorate. In addition to the impacts on democracies, large language models might also lead to the strengthening of totalitarian regimes. In that, of course, these regimes could use the models to produce propaganda, but they could also use these models to monitor the populations of their countries.
Short of actual trolling, how will ChatGPT influence a political discussion? To test this, I asked ChatGPT the top 5 issues a voter should consider before elections in India. I thought climate change could be on that list, and ChatGPT told me exactly what I wanted to hear. The AI bot was trained on a massive collection of text from various sources. It can be persuasive, emotionally resonant, and tailored text to specific audiences. Sometimes it can sound like your neighbor over a beer. Jasper Spenzo from the University of Hamburg is a co-author of this study. He found researchers who refined ChatGPT's preliminary training data gave it a pro-environmental and left-libertarian bias.
They rank what is the most suitable or best output in a sense, and then this is fed again to ChatGPT in a sense that it's increasing the probability of generating this assumingly high quality output.
But how will this change if ChatGPT is trained on open source data from the internet instead?
The moment you open it up to the public, you will have essentially a variety of models, of different models with very different kind of like biases and agendas and whatever. And it obviously depends on what people kind of, steer the model towards.
When confronted, ChatGPT said while it is technically possible to use ChatGPT for political propaganda, it is not ethical or responsible to do so. What do you think? Are those teething troubles, or will they lead to more misinformation?